Good day to you. It's always a delight talking to you anytime, and I'm trying to connect the dots with so many issues that I have on my mind now as I speak, and which I believe they are also on the minds of our listeners and those who are regular listeners of this podcast. In connecting the dot, now for those points you made about devolution of powers,
Yes.
don't you think that that will breed some feeling of secession? Like we have so many people clamoring now, so many agitators. They are taking these issues a different way that we might not be able to manage it. Because if you say, oh, you Israel, back to your tent, and in trying to decentralize the center to empower the states, and some people are already taking it for secession. Let me go my own way, you go your own way.
No, it doesn't work like that. In America today, the center is weak. The center face diplomacy, foreign affairs, face currency, face postal services.
But in America, you just mentioned their institutions are stronger.
That is what I'm saying. What you can do in Ulalulu happens to be the 52nd American states. People are joining America because they believe that the bigger, the merrier. The bigger, the merrier. When you look at what happened between what is the name of their immediate past president?
Donald Trump.
During the issue of COVID-19, you know that America is a state that is strong. The governors, most of them, they share his view, and they survive it. If it is Nigeria, people are already threatening the governor of South and Southeast and Southwest.
But some people will say that Tinubu survived that of Obasanjo when he decided to take away his funds.
Yes.
How many of Tinubu do we have there?
Yes, even though Tinubu survived because Obasanjo was also a Yoruba president. It was not looked into from the ethnic dimension. So these are things that we should look at. So to me, I believe that if the gold in Ilesha is being controlled by Osun State government, the issue of illegal miner will be reduced. If police in Osogbo is being handled by Osun State government, they will be more effective. The system will be so structured that they will be independent of the governor to a certain extent. Because if you have check and balances in most of this system, nobody in Nigeria today, whether we still like it or not, the system of government still handicaps some people. Let me tell you this. The irony of Nigerian problem is that most of the problems we are facing now were spearheaded by the southern leaders. Let me give you an example. The unity system of government was enacted by Aguiyi through Decree 34 of 1966. The 1977 Constitution brought about the watered down merit and appointment and admission into schools.
And that encouraged nepotism.
Yes. So these are things. And it was midwife by Olusegun Obasanjo. So these are areas. But it's not too late. Error can be committed in a family. But that doesn't mean that the family must crumble. Nigeria is a family. Because even though if the Yoruba land is a state and it's a nation, or what do we call it?
Eastern part.
Would that one take River Niger from that place? Would that one say that somebody cannot swim through River Niger and go to Onitsha? So there is no barrier among us. There is no what we call artificial barrier. It is good to talk. Oh, let us go. Let us do this. Can somebody in Niger Delta survive without eating food from other areas? No. We need ourselves to survive. But there must be respect for each other. That is what I've been believing. If you are a full animal, you must respect a Yoruba man. You cannot say because you're a full animal, you have undue advantage over me. It doesn't work like that. It's going to backfire. If they try it, that is one thing that our people should know. There is no country that some people you try to undermine people that you survive it. You can be surviving it for a time. How many Fulani man are people that are highly connected outside this country? Their only connection is through some means. But you have Igbo man, Middle Belt man, Niger Delta man, Yoruba man, all over the world, highly connected. How many Nigerians have been given appointment under the present dispensation in America? But is anybody from Fulani stock? No. So pen is mightier than the sword. They should know that. So let us respect ourselves. There are areas God has given you comparative advantage over. If your own is agriculture, respect somebody that is good in act of gunnery or somebody that is good in husbandry. So these are things when you put, that is what America is using. The farmer in America, they are not up to 2% of American population.
But yet they provide.
Yes, because they encourage people. I was in one farm in California. The way they plant their maize, their corn.
Sweet corn.
Yes, because here they will say you plant it, you will give gap. No, very close. and the yield very, very superb. So these are things we should look at. So,
you just mentioned the part before I just let you go now that you are in California, and we have a crop of our leaders traveling outside this country. How come they've not been able to import all those things they've seen outside?
We Nigerians or Africans, we are selfish. We think of only today. Our area is to enjoy. When you are 60, what is the enjoyment you can? You see rich men now, they cannot eat because of age. If you think about that, we were talking somewhere yesterday. Legacy of people now, because of road construction, it has wiped it away. So your legacy is to train your children and contribute to humanity. How many property did Babaja parade? But the children are good, and the name is also bringing food to some table. So these are areas. African black people, we are selfish. A professor of mine, late Professor Arifalo, said one thing. He said God created man, that is African man. The African people, are they part of those human beings that God created? The way we behave. How can you beheaded somebody for 20,000 naira? What is 20,000? If you are somebody that drinks beer or you enjoy life, within a day the money will go. But you've taken a life. So these are things we must look into. Let people that's why I said most of our leaders are successful criminals. Let people with human feeling. If somebody does not have good home, he can't be a good leader. If somebody cannot take care of his younger brothers, siblings, he cannot be a good leader. It's not because he can parade criminals and thugs.
Well, in connecting the dots, like you've just said now, if we're talking about having good leaders, some people will say the ones we have now were once on this divide with us before they moved to the other side. Yes. Electioneering drums have been beaten everywhere about 2023 is around the corner as if this is not 2021. You understand? The crop of the next leaders, what do you have in mind or what do you envisage?
We can't have good leadership under this dispensation, the way it is being structured.
I'm even scared because you are saying if we don't do anything to take care of the trend as we speak now before the month of June,
yes, June,
so
July.
2023 election is not even in focus.
Can somebody go to Igboho now and go and conduct election? It's going to be difficult. I said in Imo now, you cannot put on police uniform. Nobody say you can't put it on. You'll be afraid. Is it the same policeman that will guide this ordinary by-election in Ekiti? Loss of life. Because the system is monetized.
So we need to de-emphasize money.
Even those civil servants, they play politics for you to be given good appointment, good posting. So these are things that we must try to. Institution in America, somebody told me a story in Germany. That person I was in Germany when he told me. He said a councillor left office after 10 years. They traced him that he stole 10,000 euro, and because of that, he was brought back. The money was collected.
10 years after
he was jailed.
10 years after.
Yes, sir.
That he must have enjoyed it.
Yeah, the money may not be there. He was also jailed.
But here we have plea bargain.
Yes, not even though plea bargain is still better. Even though there are some that nobody will just the time we just we take care of it.
Or the moment you join their party, they forgive you of your sins.
Yes.
Interesting.
So the system must work. If not, if you don't allow it to work, it will crumble on us.
Thank you very much. I appreciate talking to you. Connecting the dot now, I have it straight up to you that it's all about rejigging the system, readdressing the system so that we can have a functional system that will take us to where we are supposed to be.
I wish you well, moderator.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Nice talking to you.
Thanks so much.